This exercise and workshop was about teaching Dickinson students that are interested in climate issues how to educate their community about climate change, elevate the solutions above the despair of climate change, and activate their community to take action.
Even just having a space with other students who are interested in these types of issues, and for us to be the ones who get to enact those, is really important. We have access to these people who are making really powerful decisions and leveraging the power that youth and the public have in systems of power that we've seen do not necessarily represent everyone and are not good systems for ensuring the future, perhaps. And for Eowyn to be here giving a workshop to us, they're 21 years old, I'm 21, and for them to be in the working world, doing really powerful things in the world, and teaching us how to do it is really, really powerful.
I hope that students are empowered to reach their other Dickinson students that may not be interested in climate issues and empower them to take action.